Let's look at this question from summary paragraphs. What does the paragraph say? Eco light bulb, that has been the question ever since compact CFLs, compact fluorescent lamps experienced a fall from sustainable grace. This happened when some bright spark raised questions about their mercury content, right? Which might pose a grave threat to our personal health. This word might is very important. Previously, changing your light bulb seemed like the ideal low-hanging fruit for all of us, right? So, it seemed like an ideal solution earlier. Now, let's look at which of the choices is an ideal summary. Choice number 1, CFLs were the ideal environmental friendly solution to high wattage incandescents until recently. Now, this could have been a good choice, but it is assuming that right now it is not an ideal environmentally friendly solution, right? Or in the future it cannot be. Note that the paragraph has just raised a question. Choice 2, we can no longer say that CFLs are the ideal environmental friendly solution to high wattage incandescents. Again, it suffers from the same fallacy that it makes a very definitive conclusion that CFLs are no longer the ideal environmental friendly solution. All we can say is it is still under question. Statement 3. The mercury content of CFLs has made them hazardous and pose a grave threat to human health. Now, all of these things are still being examined, so we cannot conclude 3. Let's look at choice 5. CFLs have experienced a fall from sustainable grades due to their high mercury content. Now, high mercury content is something which is extra. So, we can say this is exaggerated. So, we come to choice 4, which says CFLs, which were considered an ideal eco-friendly solution to their high wattage incandescents, have been questioned as regards their mercury content. These words have been questioned. This makes it the best choice or the ideal choice.